Welcome to the next session of our ZetaSphere software training series. Today we're diving into the Results tab, your central space for analyzing completed sample measurements. Let's walk through each part step by step. The Results tab is organized into several key areas. The sample list on the left, the sample view in the center, the result table on the bottom, as well as the access to the display settings and analyze setting, generating report or exporting data on the right. In the upper right corner, the Arrange View option lets you tailor your workspace. You can hide or show the sample list as well as change its width. On the left-hand side, the sample list displays all measured samples in the currently selected directory. Each sample entry shows all relevant information such as name, unique ID, measurement date, dilution, and applied setting. You can arrange the list accordingly. Use the filter tool to locate specific entries quickly. Click the arrow next to a sample to expand it. This reveals all measurements taken with all necessary details. Each expanded sample includes a position table, which lists measurement positions and quality metrics. ZetaSphere applies a grub significance test to identify outliers. Wondering why a position was excluded? Just hover over the indicator to see more details. Need to overwrite it? You can manually include or exclude positions as needed. Once you select a sample, it opens in the sample view, the central display area. Each measurement type shows up with a characteristic graph. You can customize these graphs using display settings. This configuration also applies when generating reports. So what you see is what you export. Use the pin function in the sample list to overlay multiple samples in a single view, or click the plus tab in the sample view to inspect and compare samples. The result table gives a full statistical summary tailored to the selected measurement type. Here you can also customize colors used in the graphs by double-clicking with a mouse, and get the additional statistical information by right-clicking in the corresponding column. ZetaSphere groups together all measurements using the same channel. Measurements with the same recording parameters, gain and shutter, are merged into single rows to streamline your analysis. Need to fine-tune or revisit a dataset? Click on Analyze Settings to reprocess your data. This is useful if you want to apply different filters by recalibrating thresholds. Ready to share your results? From the sample view, you can easily generate a PDF report or export raw data for further analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next session.